In this section of the course, we're going to take a closer look at recording in Reason. I've gone ahead and brought up a demo song. This one is Byron Leckebusch. It's in the demo songs folder, but you can bring up any song. The important thing is that you take a quick look at the rack and play the song through so that you can see what's going on. It's a good idea to just go ahead and press play by using the spacebar, take a look at the sequence, and get an idea for how complex these songs can be in Reason. You can see there's an awful lot of stuff in the rack here. And then down in the sequencer, you can see all of the tracks that have been recorded. You can see the automation and so forth. Let's detach the sequencer. I'm dealing with limited screen real estate in my videos. You might have more on your system, but I want to blow up the sequencer so that we can see the whole thing in great detail. And you can see that I have the Kong drums showing. I'll go ahead and collapse that down, and you can see all the other tracks there. By the way, if you option click any of these little triangles, it will expand or collapse all of the tracks in the sequencer, just like it does in the rack. Now you'll notice up in the ruler that I have a left and right indicator, and I can easily move my left indicator to where I want it. And this will be important for looping. I can also set the left and right indicators down here in my transport. So I've set my left and right indicator. The L and R buttons will move me directly to the left or right indicator, or I can use 1 and 2 on the numeric keypad. Now 0 is a little bit special. 0 moves me to the start position, and this is what that means. If I start playing the song, we'll start from bar 1 here. Okay, I stopped at bar 3. I'm going to continue playing again. Now the first time I press 0, the marker returns back to bar 3, the last position I started from. When I press 0 again, it goes back to the beginning. Let's start here. I press 0 once, I'm back to where I started. If I press again, I go back to the start of the song. And remember, 1 gets me to the left marker, 2 gets me to the right marker. I can set those markers either by dragging them or by using the area down in the transport. One final thing, and that is looping. I can turn on looping, and as long as I'm between the left and right markers, I can loop a section of the song. There's a loop button down here in the transport, or you can use the letter L to turn on or off looping. Let me move this right in between the left and right markers. Watch what happens. So I'm looping between the left and right markers. It's a great way of working on a section of the song. And of course, I can press L or toggle that button to turn looping off. So those are a few things about the ruler and the markers in Reason.